Hey you guys, what is up? This is sort of an update video and a showcase video. I've been working on this project for a couple hours now and kind of messing with it and changing some stuff. And to be short, it's basically an auto cleaning tool for scanlation groups and webtoon creators. It basically works by using a deep learning engine called Tesseract OCR, which is created by Google. And OCR stands for optical character recognition, and it just means that it can recognize text from images. Using this, I've been able to create a demo software that takes in an image, in this case a Manhwa image, and then find all the text on the page, filter and clean out all the junk data, and then remove the text from the image. It's still in beta now, and I'll be developing it more over the summer, giving it a GUI, more functionality, and better test data to fully clean the image, since right now it's only about 80% functional. Let me show you guys how it works. So here's a quick example of it working. So I have the image path set, and then for the language I have English and Korean, and then when you run the program, it will give you two different images, and it'll also give you the text that it finds and then the confidence level. So on the right here you can see the original image, and then you can see the green boxes highlighting where it supposedly found Korean or English text. And as you can see, it's not always accurate, which is why I have to filter out and get rid of the junk data that it gives me. But on the left here, you can see that it mostly cleans everything. Sometimes it'll find it won't find certain text, and then it'll leave them there, which is something I have to fix with better test data. But otherwise, it pretty much works like it should. Anyways, just wanted to give a quick update. See you guys soon.